Hello, this is a review of the CAMMENGA EASYMAG and the best ways to operate it. First off, loading the magazine. There's three ways you can load it. You can take ammo and load it from the top like a standard mag. If you have stripper clips, put your stripper clip on, load it with stripper clips. Or what the mag is designed to do is to be opened and loaded from the front. Well, the first step to that is obviously opening up the magazine. So to demonstrate that, let me show you two easy ways to do it. One is, you hold your left arm straight out. This gives you good leverage with your right hand to pull that front half back. Alright, if you hold your elbows bent like this, you notice it can take a lot of strength to get that started. So with your left arm out, you can get good leverage and pop it past the stop point. The other way, which is my favorite way, is grabbing it in your hand with the corner in the palm of your hand, putting your fingers on the opening half and squeezing down like that. That'll pop that front half down for you. Now the best way to load the magazine is to hold it straight up and down, vertically. If you hold the magazine horizontally, it can cause the rounds to fall around in the wrong direction. So make sure you're holding it vertically and place the rounds on the left and right side. If you get a round that goes in crooked, give it a shake and it'll pop back into place. Alright, now I'm full with 30 rounds. Slide the opening half up. The latch will release when it gets to the top. And now my spring pressure's back on. The mag's ready to use. If you are going to do a partial load on the magazine, I would recommend pulling the magazine opening half just part way down and loading a few rounds like so. To unload the magazine, simply pull the front half down, release the spring tension, and now the rounds can be poured right out. Alright, now I'd like to show you how to disassemble the magazine. We're going to break it down into its basic components for cleaning purposes, maintenance, and then I'm also going to reassemble the magazine. These are the 5 basic components of the EasyMag. Follower, base plate, containing half, opening half, and your main spring. You notice the latch is built in to the base plate and the follower. Very simple and rugged design. First thing you do is pop your base plate tabs off the magazine, just like a standard USGI magazine. Once that's done, you're free to slide the base plate back. And you'll notice here that the base plate hits the spring. That's due to our locking mechanism that goes inside the mag. So to clear your spring, you need to push it away. You can reach down in there with your finger, push the spring down, pull it out. What I'm going to use is use the charging handle from our Next Generation Arms AR over here and use that to push that spring down out of the way. Base plate's free. Take out our spring now. The opening half will slide off. Follower and containing half. To reassemble the magazine, you take your follower, place it inside of your containing half. And you slide the opening half down over the follower, the same direction would go on your magazine. Once that's on your follower, you put it on the track of the containing half and you slide it back up. Now your follower is inside your magazine. And you reinsert your spring, make sure it's down against the follower, and you got to push the spring down far enough to clear the latch on the base plate, like so. Once the base plate's on, you can pound it closed, resurface, and now it's locked in place.